So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings in your mobile phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps now, all what you wanna do is just wait a few seconds, and after that just scroll down and down until you find Telegram, and then click on it like that. Click on force stop to stop the app, and then click on the storage right here. Click on clear cache like this. As you can see, I cleared all the cache. Go back and then click on data usage, disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. Go back and then click on the power usage details, click on the up launch and make sure that this option here is enabled. Click OK, go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode for 20 seconds, and after that disable it and reopen Telegram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.